Alright, I just want to throw out a real quick, cool deal here. I keep disconnecting my battery because I always got to disconnect it to do some kind of a install or something, so I just have the Uconnect background. But anyway, that's easy to change here. Display, I really like this here. Set theme, come on theme. Red theme, yeah, we'll do that. We'll do a red theme right now. A little red theme going on. Here's the announcement. I get 10,000 subscribers. I'm going to get an RA4 radio with navigation. This one's Apple CarPlay, but it'll basically be the same thing. RA4 radio with navigation, complete kit. You'll get the bezel, everything like that. The little dilly-dally, what's that? The module that you're going to need, wiring, everything. All right, I think it's a $1,250 unit. All right, pretty badass. I've been able to get my unit, works through my EVIC here. All right, and everything works. My auxiliary buttons work on my unit. All right, and I got this from 4th Gen RAM Electronics too. So basically what's going on is 4th Gen RAM Electronics is going to give me a radio, all right, because they're that badass over there. They're going to give me a radio to give away, all right, and I want to do that at 10,000 subscribers. I'm not going to drag this video out. That is plain and simple what's going on. All right, look, aux buttons are in here. And now that did take the alpha OBD to get them in. Where are you at, suckers? There you are. Aux switches, I always pass them up. Boom. I'm going to do the fourth one. Right now I have the fourth one programmed to be like a little temporary. When I hit it and let go, it turns off. All right, so like if I wanted to do a horn, the other ones come on right as they're supposed to. But anyway, hot damn, 10,000 subscribers. All right, here's a picture of the radio. All right, on 4th Gen RAM Electronics website. Check out that website. All right, you want to get an aux panel, you know you can use promo code HOTDAMN and get 5% off. All right, so that's what's going to happen. I'd appreciate if y'all can help me out, spread the word a little bit. Find some people that are, there's people out there they don't know about my channel that might be interested, give them a little heads up. I appreciate it. Hell yeah, hot damn. That's a nice giveaway right there, man. I have to, hats off to 4th Gen. Wow, all right, wow.